Hey, what's up guys? Sprinter Doctor here. Do you need to jack up your vehicle with the factory supplied bottle jack on a 3500 chassis? Well, if so, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. And I want to start off with a couple of key points. Always do this on flat, solid ground. Set your parking brake. Steer your front wheel straight ahead. Chock the wheels diagonally opposite of the wheel that you're going to be jacking up, and keep your hands and feet out from under the vehicle. I don't want anybody getting hurt, so I'm going to show you in this video where the proper jacking points are and how to jack your vehicle up so you can get that flat tire changed out. All right, let's get started. Okay, here's a 3500 chassis, Winnebago motorhome. I'm going to show you where the jack is. Just going to go open the passenger door right here in the step. There's a little door, so you're just gonna have to work with it. There. All right, here's our jack and the handles. Here's our jack. All right, so your jack handle has three pieces. You got the big piece, the middle piece, and the small piece. So your middle piece is just gonna go just like that. And the small piece, like that. That's what you're going to use to jack your vehicle up with. The small end fits right here on this valve. So you want to turn it clockwise to tighten it until it tightens up. And then you got this piece right here on your handle. You're going to engage that into the jack and turn it, and that'll lock it into the jack. Now we're going to slide it up under our front of our van and jack it up. Okay, the front jacking point is right here. Let's go up under the front. In front of the front tire, we're going to go and look. Here, that's the jacking point right there. All right. Okay, to let it back down, just going to take your jack handle out, turn it around, use the other end with the two notches, put it on the valve, turn it counterclockwise slowly, and that releases the jack to let the vehicle back down. Okay, now for the rear jacking point. This may be a little awkward because I'm going to have to slide up under the vehicle. So it's going to be, you're going to slide under the vehicle in front of the rear tire. I'm going to slide my jack up under here. Okay. On 3500, this front leaf spring mount is where the jacking points are, right here. All right. So I'm gonna get my jack in place. Here's a better view. That's the front leaf spring mount. All right, we're up off the ground. And that's how you do it, guys. Okay, to let it back down, just turn the jack back around. Like I said earlier, the 2 notches. Engage on this valve on the bottom of the jack. Just turn it counterclockwise slowly. And that'll let the vehicle back down. I prefer a little slower than that, but you get the picture. All right, guys, thanks.